In this video, we are unboxing the 3/8" preset torque wrench set. The set includes a 3/8" square drive preset torque wrench, range 5 to 60 Newton meters. Used for precise torque control, prevent stripping of bolts and spark plugs, and damage the threads. The kit includes standard socket, 3/8" drive sockets from 8mm to 17mm. Includes dedicated spark plug sockets, 14mm and 16mm spark plug sockets with rubber inserts to prevent dropping spark plugs. Includes a 150mm 3/8" extension bar. Includes an M14 socket with 1/2" drive. Also includes a multi-bit socket set from T20 to T60 torques. Hex bits from H5 to H14. Spline bits from M6 to M12. Includes a 3/8 to 1/4 inch adapter, a 3/8 to 1/2 inch adapter, and a 1/4 inch bit adapter for impact drivers. Also includes rubber gloves. Now let's go over the 3/8" torque wrench. Torque range 5 to 60 Newton meters. To adjust, slide the locking collar downward. Then rotate the handle to set the torque. The main scale is on the shaft, and the vernier scale is on the handle. Align the vernier scale with the main scale. To set the desired value, after adjustment, release the locking collar. To lock the torque setting, the ratcheting head has a selector lever. Push it to the left for loosening, and to the right for tightening. The cap at the rear of the torque wrench can be rotated to access the internal adjustment bolt. For calibrating the torque of the torque wrench. Now let's go over tool assembly and usage. First, take the torque wrench. It has a 3/8" drive. We can install 3/8" sockets for combination use. Press the locking button on the rear to install the socket. Press the locking button again and pull it off. To remove the socket, the kit includes a 3/8 to 1/4 inch adapter. We can install it onto the wrench. Then install the 1/4 inch bit adapter on top. Once placed it, then we can install the screwdriver bits onto this adapter for use. The kit also includes a 3/8 to 1/2 inch adapter. It pairs with the 1/2 inch drive of the M14 bit socket. Once assembled, it's ready to use. Now let's use this vehicle for a demonstration. Installing a spark plug. First, take the spark plug socket. The spark plug nut is 16mm. Use the 16mm spark plug socket with the extension bar for installation. Install the spark plug into the socket. Then thread it in by hand. When installing, gently place the spark plug into place to avoid damaging the electrode. After the threads are snug, use the torque wrench and set it to the correct torque. Spark plug torque is typically 25 Newton meters. Rotate the handle to the vernier scale to align with the main scale at 25 Newton meters. The position of the 0 on the secondary scale of the handle aligns with the position of the 25 on the main scale above. Here is the 25 Newton meters. Now tighten the spark plug. Stop when we hear a light click. Over-torquing can damage the spark plug threads. Remove the torque wrench and extension bar with spark plug socket. The above demonstration is for instruction purposes only. In actual use, please make sure to select the appropriate socket based on the bolts, size, and vehicle application.